Hello dear friend, today we discuss about the spermatogenesis. These are the contents: process of spermatogenesis, structure and function of sperm, semen, and effect of testosterone in the male. Process of involved in the spermatogenesis. These are the diagram which can show the process involved in the spermatogenesis. Firstly, we can discuss about the definition of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of production of haploid sperm by seminiferous tubule of the testes. Seminiferous tubule contain large number of germinal epithelial cells called spermatogonia. During active sexual life, spermatogenesis occur in all the seminiferous tubule. It begins about at the age of 13 years and continue throughout the remainder of life. Some steps involved in the spermatogenesis. First step, the spermatogonia located close to the basement membrane are called type A spermatogonia. These divide 4 times to form 16 slightly more differentiated cells called type B spermatogonia. These type B spermatogonia migrate into the Sertoli cell. The spermatogonia are the most immature sperm forming cell. The Sertoli cell extend from the basement to the lumen of the tubule. Under the effect of FSH and testosterone, the Sertoli cell support and protect developing spermatogenic cell. The Sertoli cell also produce fluid for sperm transport and secrete the hormone inhibin, which regulate sperm production and inhibit the secretion of FSH. In human, it takes time period of about 65 to 70 days for the completion of spermatogenesis. The type B spermatogonia undergo differentiation to form primary spermatocyte. These primary spermatocytes are diploid and contain 46 chromosomes. The primary spermatocyte enlarge and undergoes meiosis, that is reduction division to form two haploid secondary spermatocytes. These are the cells formed by the first nuclear division. Each secondary spermatocyte has 23 chromosomes, that is haploid. This secondary spermatocyte further undergoes nuclear division, also known as equatorial division, to form spermatid. The spermatid are even haploid. The haploid spermatid mature into sperm. Each spermatid develops one head with an acrosome and a flagellum. The process of maturation of spermatid into the sperm is called as spermation. Sperm. These are the structure of sperm. The sperm is made up of head and tail. The head is composed of condensed nucleus of the cell with only a thin cytoplasmic membrane. On the anterior side, the sperm head possesses a cap called acrosome. The acrosome contains many enzymes similar to lysosome, mainly the proteolytic enzyme and hyaluronidase. The tail of sperm or flagellum is made up of central skeleton which is composed of 11 microtubules covered by a thin membrane. This membrane covers microtubules and also contain mitochondria within. The sperm move because of the to and fro movement of the tail. Energy for the movement is supplied by the mitochondria in the body of the tail. Semen. It is composed of fluid from seminal vesicle about 60% and fluid from prostate gland is about 25 to 30%. Fluid and sperm from vas difference about 10%. Semen is slightly alkaline with pH of about 7.5 and milky appearance is because of the prostatic fluid. Normally semen appearance is as color grayish white, appearance viscid, and volume is about 2 to 5 ml. Sperm count 40 to 300 millions per ml. The effect of testosterone in the male. First effect, that is the it act on the Sertoli cell to induce spermatogenesis and is also essential for the process. Second, it induces differentiation of male accessory reproductive organ and maintain their function. Third, It stimulates protein anabolism, bone growth, and fusion of epiphysis of bone with shaft, thereby reducing further bone growth. Fourth, it induces secondary sex characteristic in male. Fifth, it is supposed to maintain the sex drive and also enhance the aggressive behavior. And sixth, concentration of testosterone in the blood regulate the release of gonadotropin releasing hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. Thank you.